Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of CS Cart mobile application. In today's video tutorial, we'll be checking out how we can set up the homepage banners, homepage sections, push notifications, and the extra pages for the CS Cart mobile app from the admin backend panel. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So in the next video, I'll be taking you through the workflow of the CS Cart mobile app on the Android device itself, and I'll be showing you the different options that the customers will get on the CS Cart mobile application. And I'll be showing you the homepage where the banners exactly appear on the homepage at the very top, the different homepage sections that have been created by the admin, the push notifications, and the extra pages that come up on the side panel there in the mobile application itself. But today we'll just be checking out the admin backend panel, and we'll be seeing the homepage banner creation, homepage section creation, push notification creation, and how to send the push notifications, and how to create the extra pages for the mobile app there. So for that, let me take you to the admin backend panel, and we'll be logging into the admin backend panel by entering the email and the password and tapping on the sign in button thereafter. Now after we have logged in, the very first thing that I want to show you is that after you've successfully installed the CS Cart mobile application there, you'll get one Webkul option in the header here. As you can see, under that you'll be able to basically manage the banners, homepage, notifications, and the extra pages for your mobile app itself from the admin backend panel there. Now let's go through each of these options one by one. So let me tap here on the never button there, and the very first thing that we'll see is the Webkul banner, or the banners that appear at the very top in the mobile app itself. So let me cancel this out. So here you can see that I've already created a few banners there, like the test banner, camera, computers, shoes, and music is the name of the banners, and here are the images of the banners there. Now these banners can be of the product type or of the category type. Now if the banner is of the product type, then whenever a customer taps on the particular banner, he'll be redirected to the particular product. Otherwise, if it's a category banner, then the customer, after tapping on the particular banner, would be navigated to that particular category that has been assigned to the respective banner there. So here you can select all of the banners, and you can delete them as well by selecting the delete option as per your own requirement there. Otherwise, if you want to add a new banner, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add banner option. Now this brings up this particular section wherein we have the banner name. So here you have to set up the name of the banner, choose the banner, whether it's a product type banner or a category type banner. If it's a product type banner, then you have to choose the products from this particular section here for the choose product, and you can select a particular product for this banner type that you're going to create as a product banner. Then you can set up the banner image as well from your local hard drive there. Now these banners appear at the very top of the mobile apps homepage at the very top. So these banners keep on scrolling there. So depending upon the number of banners that you've created, the banners would be available and visible to the customers on the mobile apps homepage itself. Now here you also have the option to choose the banner type as category. If I choose it as category, then what you need to do is you need to select the particular category to which the particular customer would be redirected if he taps on the particular banner there. So now if I go back to the banner section here, I've already created the product and the category banners. So for example, here we have created a computer banner for the category there, and a shoes one for the product one. So here, from here, you also have the option to edit or delete any of the banners that you have created. To edit a particular one, for example, we are going to edit this product banner that we have created. So I'll just tap here on the edit option there, and this would basically bring up the particular section here. So here you can see that the name has been set as banner as the shoes. The banner type is product. The position has been set as 40, and here we have chosen the Nike Chambray Super Runner as the product for this particular banner, and here we have uploaded the banner's image as well. Now let me go back and let me go back to the Webkul banner there. And here now if I edit this one that's for the computer, to which the banner type is of the category type, I can choose it as edit to edit that up. So here I've said the banner name is computer, the banner type is category, position has been set, I've chosen the category there as computers, and I've uploaded one banner image there. Now whenever a customer taps on this particular banner, he'll be redirected to the computers category or the chosen category that you have chosen for this particular banner there. So this was about the banner section. Now coming to the Webkul homepage, or the homepage of the mobile application itself. Now on the homepage, basically we are seeing different sections there, like new arrivals, popular, hot deals, best selling laptops. So from here you can create different sections that would be available on the homepage there, and you can set the type as newest, popular, on sale, and much more. You can also set up the number of or the count of the products that will be available under each as per the requirement there. You can select anyone and you can delete them from here as well. Otherwise you can, for each of the respective homepage sections that you have created, you can edit anyone or delete anyone as per your own requirement there. Now to add a new homepage section, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add homepage button, and this will bring up this particular section wherein you can set up the title of the homepage section that you're going to create. You can set the position, you can set up the filling method as whether it's manual, newest, on sale, popular, or depending upon the rating there. Then you can choose the image for the particular new section there, and accordingly you can choose the products by tapping on the add product and selecting the products that would be available within the same there. Let me cancel that out. So here you can see that I've chosen the products here, 3 different products. Then we can set up the number of products to display within the particular section on the home page. So if it's new ones, then only 4 of the new ones would be displayed to the customers under the new section there. Now let me take you back to the homepage there, homepage section, and let's edit any one of them. For example, we have new arrivals. If I edit this up, so this is a particular section for the homepage there. I'll set the title as new arrival. So new arrival title would be visible on the homepage of the mobile app to the customers there. And the filling is the newest one, so the newest products would be automatically filled within this particular section there, depending upon the filling. If you are choosing it as manual, then you have to add the products there. Otherwise, if you choose it as newest, then you don't have to set the or add the products there, but you can set the number of products to display within the new arrival section that you are going to create there. Let's go back to the home page, and same goes with the popular section as well. So you can add a multiple number of home page sections there, and these sections would then be available to the customers to choose from and to can build the products within the different sections as well. So here if I again tap on the add button, here you can see that we have the manual one, the newest one. In the case of newest as well, the number of products to display has to be set up, on sale, popular, and rating. Then automatically those sections or the filling types would automatically face the newest, on sale, popular, and the products depending on the ratings there. You just have to set the number of products to display within the particular section there. But in the case of manual only, what you need to do is you need to add the products as per your own requirement there itself. Now coming to the Webkul notification section, here you will be able to create different notifications, and these notifications would be sent out to the customers on their mobile devices, and on the top right hand corner of their mobile device they'll find one notification icon. Tapping on that would bring up the particular notification that would be sent out by the admin from the backend panel. So you can activate or disable any of the notifications that you've created. You can edit them up or you can delete them up as well. So for example, we have a discount. If I edit this particular notification there, here for the notification we can set the title of the notification that would be visible to the customers under the notification icon there, or the notification section. The type of the notification can be whether it's of a product or a category or other. If you choose it as other, then you can set up the content there along with the different links that you want to add. Otherwise you can choose it as product. If it's a product notification, then you have to choose the products there for the notification. For example, if I choose the products, I can choose a particular product for the notification there. And if it's of the category type, if this notification is of the category type, then I can choose the particular category that should be there, right? I can choose a category there, and we can set the status as active or disabled. The content can be set up, and then we can tap on the save button or save and send. Now on tapping save and send, the particular notification would be sent out to the customers on their mobile device itself. So under the notifications, if I go back, you can see that I've created two different notifications. Now all of these sections that I'm going to show you, or I've already shown you, for this I'll be showing you the actual workflow on the CS Cart mobile application in the coming video, so that everything gets clear to you how these particular notifications can be received on the mobile device as well. The rest of these sections, like we saw the banners for the home page, how the banners would be visible on the mobile end, how the home page sections would be visible, how the notifications would be sent out and can be created. Now lastly, we have here the Webkul pages. If I go to the Webkul pages here, you'll find the complete list of pages that the admin has created from the backend. Now these pages, basically the Webkul pages that we have, are visible to the customers on the mobile device. When they swipe from left to right, they can find the categories on the mobile device. Just under the categories, they'll find the language, the currency section, and then they'll find one other section. Now under the other section, all of these pages that you've added here would be visible to the customers. So for example, we have added the contacts, free returns, about our company, free shipping, our team. So these pages would be available there within the mobile app, and the customers can tap any of these pages to give the details regarding the same. So for the contacts page would be displayed to the customer. For free returns, the free return policy page would be displayed. About our company would display the details about the company. For our team would display the details about the details of our team on the page there, for the selected page that you have selected from this particular section. So from here you'll be able to edit or delete any of the pages that you have created. To edit a page, you just need to tap on the edit, and this would bring up the edit section. And here what you need to do is you need to set the title that would be visible within the other section on the mobile device when the customer swipes from left to right on the mobile, and while he's using the particular CS Cart mobile application there. And what he needs to do is the admin just needs to select the particular page for the contacts. So he has to create the pages as well, depending upon the option that he wants to provide, and then he has to tap on the save button. Now let me show you once again how you can create a particular page there. For example, you want to add a new page, you can tap here on the add page button, and this will bring up this section. And here you can choose, for example, about us page. You can set the position, and then from the drop down here you can choose about our company or about us page for the same. Now whenever the customer taps on the about us title there within the other section, he'll be taken to the about us page of your website there for the details about your company there itself. So yes, that was much about the backend configuration of the CS Cart mobile application, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how to create and manage the homepage banner, homepage sections, how to create and send the push notifications there. So about the push notifications, if I go to the notification section, we can, for example, edit any of the notification there, or if you have created one, then what to send that particular notification, you just need to tap on the save and send notification button, and the particular notification you can see has been sent out to the respective mobile device users there, and they can access that particular notification within the mobile app itself. So yes, that was much about the CS Cart mobile app backend configuration, and I hope it helped you out there in understanding the same, like the homepage banners, homepage new sections, the notifications, and the other pages or the pages there itself, or the extra pages that come under the other sections on the mobile device itself. So thanks for watching this particular video, and I hope it helped you out. And if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video. and have a great day ahead.